Hello, Microsoft released the Windows 10 build with the number 9926 on the 23rd January of 2015. This preview is available for free, including German and English and several other languages. In this preview you see, for example, the new Start menu. If you click the Windows button here, you see a Start menu with the live tiles here. You can scroll here through all apps and start, for example, one app here like the Internet Explorer. You can scroll through here, and what's new now, you can expand it and maximize it to full screen, and also the other way around. You can restart or shut down your machine with this button here. Here in the bottom you see the task viewer, where you can add virtual desktops or switch between several apps. For example, I can close apps here too. Then if we go to the File Explorer here, you see some new pictures in the modern UI style. If you have a tablet device available, you can try the Continuum feature, where you can switch between a tablet mode, where every window gets started into full screen mode by default. You can start the tablet mode into the Action Center. That is shown here. Maybe you have seen something like this on Windows Phone 8.1 before. Here you have notifications, for example, if updates are available for installing, or if you plug a USB device into, or several other things like mail notifications, for example. You can clear it here, and you can do several shortcuts here. You can enable tablet mode, for example. Here you can select some display settings here. You can say connect and search for Wi-Fi, for example, and you can enable some other things here. Another new thing is the new control panel. We have the control panel here in the original version, like you are used to it. But if we go to the Start menu and go here to All Apps and Settings, you have a new version in the modern UI style, where you can select several settings here. Some settings are only available through this PC settings app here. For example, you can see your network connections here. You can select VPN settings, proxy settings. You can go to personalization, but here is not really much to do. You have account, you have update and recovery here, and you can select your update settings here. You can say I want faster builds or slower builds. So if you select fast here, you get the newest features of Windows 10 very early, and you can search for updates here, for example. If you install the newest build 9926, for example, the first thing you will see here is one update for the operating system, released one day after they put the ISO onto the internet. Here in the bottom of the page you can try Cortana, but if you live in Austria or Germany, you won't be able to use that at the moment. But I can search here for installed programs like in the past, and if I go for New York, then you can do a web search here that refers to Bing. Some other announced features on the latest press conference in Redmond was the browser Spartan. The browser Spartan, for example, is not available yet in this release here, so you have to wait for one of the next builds to try this one out. If you want to try this version on your own, you will find the download link in the video description below. Thanks for watching.